Today, on the Super Brick Building channel, we're going to build this Lego creator set. And this is part 1 of 3 videos, and we're going to make this Lego helicopter. So, let's get started. First, we're going to start with this piece and just lay it down. Next, we're going to take this black 2x2 piece, put it right here. Then, we're going to take this piece with little bars on the sides of it, put it right here. Then this green piece, put it right there. Then take this piece with a hole in it, with 2 holes in it, put it right here, and then right here. Next, we're gonna put this 2x2 black piece and put it right there. Next, we're gonna take a clip piece and put it right here. Then, I'm gonna take these pin pieces, one with a ball attached to it, put it right here, and a regular pin, put it right here. Should look like this. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to make the landing wheels of our vehicle thingy. So, to do that, we're going to attach this pin to this wheel, then attach it to this, whatever this piece is. Put the pin in like this. Take this piece, slide it on, and then attach it to our regular pin piece. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So just put this right there, then this, then the pin, and then the wheel. Next, we're going to take these 2 pieces, put them right next to each other, and then take this piece and put it on top of here. If I can click the pieces on. And then we're gonna take this piece with 1 stud on top and put it right here. And we're gonna take it and we're gonna stick it in the back of our helicopter. Next, we're gonna take this piece that kind of looks like some steps and put it right here. Then we're gonna take this black piece, stick it right here, and this yellow piece, put it right here. Next, we're gonna take this piece with studs on the side and put it right here. It's a black piece, and same thing on the other side. Then this gray piece with studs on the side, put it right here, and another one right here. Next, we're going to make the back of our vehicle. And to do that, we're going to take this piece with studs on the side, take this piece with a handle on the side, put it right here, and then take a piece of the hole in the middle, put it right here. And then this 1x2 green piece, put it right here. Next, we're going to take this long piece with, I don't know how many studs there's on there, and I'm going to put it right here. And then this piece with studs on the side, we're going to put it right here. Then we're going to take another big long piece, same length as the other one, put it right here. And this slanted piece, put it right there. Next, we're going to put on this piece on the back of our whatever this is, and then we're going to take this piece with 1 stud on top, put it right here, then a clear piece right here. Next, we're going to take this 1x1 gray piece, put it right here, then this tile piece, put it right there, and another 1x1 gray piece. Next, I'm going to take whatever this shape piece is, whatever it's called, click it on right there, and this piece that looks kind of like a sign, put it right in there. And then I'm going to turn it over like this and put this propeller piece on like this. And then on the back of our helicopter, we're going to click it on right here like that. Take this piece that looks like a tag, we're going to put it on kind of on the end of our helicopter like this to stabilize the back. Then we're going to put this 2x4 flat piece right there like that. Just gotta the wheels to stabilize our helicopter. Next, we're going to take this piece that is kind of shaped like a boat. We're going to take this green piece and put it right there. Then we're going to take this piece that fits perfectly on top, put it right here. Then we're going to take this handle piece and put it right there. Then piece of studs on the side, put it right there and right here. Next, we're going to take this piece with a hole in the middle, put it right here, and then this piece with lines on the top, put it right there. Oops. Then take this piece, put that piece on top, and then this curved piece. And then we're gonna put it on the side of our little thingy, like this, like that. And do the same thing on the other side, and I have the other one finished. Then we're gonna take this piece, it's half pin, half cross axle. We're gonna stick the cross axle thing inside of here. I'm gonna pin it right in here if I can get the pin fit in. And then I'm gonna just clip it on to our helicopter like this. And it should be able to move around, but should keep it just like this. Then take this windshield piece and put it right here. And it's not supposed to stick to these studs right here. Next, I'm going to take this 2x2 black piece and put it right there. And another 2x2 black piece, stick it right here. Next, we're going to take this piece with holes in the middle and take this circle tile piece with a hole in the middle, stick it in the middle. Then this cross axle piece with this thing at the end, stick it in here like this. And then take this circle piece, whatever it is, and push it down like this. Then put it on the top of our helicopter. You can see it can spin. Next, we're going to take 4 of these curved pieces, and I'm going to put it right here, and right here, and right here, and right here. Next, we're going to take this, whatever this piece is, take this piece, put it right there, then this piece, another 2x3 piece, stick it right here, then a piece that's almost like a 2x3 piece but has a slant in it, put it right there. Then we're going to take this motor looking piece and stick it right here. Next, we're going to take this curved piece, stick it right here. Then I'm going to take this black piece with lines on it, put it right there. And take this green tile piece and put it right there. Then I'm going to take this little curved piece and put it right there. Then we're going to take this yellow curved piece, put it right there. Oops. And then this green curved piece, put it right here. And then I'm going to stick it on the side of our vehicle. Oops. It's supposed to go on the other side. And it's supposed to go like this. Stick it on right here. And I already had the other side finished, so I'm just gonna stick it on the other side. And the helicopter should now look like this. Next, we're gonna take this little slanted piece, take this clip piece, put it on the bottom like this. Next, we're gonna take this yellow piece and put it right here. Turn it over, take this green piece and put it on, clip it on right here. I already have the other one finished, but it has a red piece instead of a green piece, as you can see right here. Next, all I need to make is the propellers. First, we're going to take this piece, I'm going to put this piece with curves right here, and another one right here, and right here. Then we're going to take this 1x10 piece, put it right here, and right here. We're going to put it on our helicopter, and there we have it, our finished LEGO Creator helicopter. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. I would like to see what you would like me to build next. Don't forget to check out my next videos on how to make a LEGO hovercraft and a LEGO airplane. And thanks again for watching Super Brick Building. So, bye-bye.